I just got their new containers. So these are the snack containers, and there are 4 in a pack. These are the colors that I chose. This set comes with purple, yellow, pink, and green lids, and you can see that they have 4 little sections. I can turn them over as well so you can see a little bit better. This is what the inside looks like. They look about the same depth as the regular size ones, and this is how it compares to the original size of Easy Lunch Boxes. One of these snack containers is a little bit bigger than the largest section. What it looks like when you put the containers into one of the Easy Lunch Boxes cooler bags, I guess they're called. So you can see it fits one large one on the bottom, and then you can put a snack container, and then you can fit another one. So you can fit 3 containers in here. You could do one of the larger containers with 1 snack container, or 2 snack containers, I mean, because they are all the same depth, so they all fit in here nicely.